Hey and welcome. In this video, we're going to be looking at something really quite fun. It's a bit quirky, it's a bit odd, but I think you're going to really love it. It's an app in Canva and it turns your text into kebabs. I mean, how crazy does that sound? But I wanted to show you this because I think it looks really, really fun and I hope that you really enjoy it. So I'm going to head over to my screen and I'm going to show you how to do this. Right, here we are on my Canva account. I've opened up a blank Facebook size template, but you can use an Instagram, you can use an A4, you can use any size template you want for this. Over on the left-hand side, we have the app section. And if you type in kebab, this one appears, kebab letters. This is just a really fun thing to play with. It's a K shaped like a kebab. If we click on the kebab letter, it then gives you a text box. Write whatever you want in here. It does recommend underneath 2 to 6 characters or 2 to 6 letters works best. 10 is the maximum. So it's like a one-word thing. If I type in hello, we will try it with hello. And then all you do is click generate. Now, this bit can take a little bit of time, so you might want to go and get yourself a drink or a snack or something, because this bit takes a little bit of time to actually generate your word using kebabs. So there we go. We have created a kebab text artwork. You could use this for artwork. I'm not really sure what you would use this for, but I think it's so much fun. Do you run a food related business, for example? Could you incorporate this into your social media templates somehow? It says it takes a few seconds to upload, but it's more like a few minutes. It's something that will probably improve in time. So I've cut a little bit out of this video because it's taken a while for this to generate. But this is a lot of fun. I hope you like that. You can change your word, you can regenerate, but that does look fun, doesn't it? I really like that. So I just wanted to show you this today. It's something new that's been added into Canva, and I just thought, why not? Let's do something fun today.